Okay guys, Silver Game of Thrones is here, so new update for you. I grabbed another bar, 10-ounce bar from this guy. I'm buying from eBay. You know, there are not many interesting stuff you can buy. That's why, you know, I start looking on eBay. And the name of this guy is INSTA Insta31. And I bought already 3 bars, you know, from him. This is DGSE, you know, Dallas Gold Silver Exchange, you know, Elemental company. I believe the old Elemental company. They use elemental.com company, or it is exchange, or it is a company. So there are, you know, a couple of companies around. Here I'm not sure who is doing what, but they have excellent bars. So I grabbed one more bar today, FedEx, and it just came in. So I'm going to open it with you guys and just see what is inside. See what is inside. This is one more bar supposed to be here. Okay, so this is my paperwork. Paperwork is going out. This is the bar itself. Okay, so this is the bar itself. So very nice package, everything packaged very well. Ecolite craft bubble mail. Okay, this is Ecolite, this is craft bubble. So I'm opening this package well. Okay, so what is inside? Inside one more bar, as expected. One more bar as expected. Okay, so I'm reviewing with you bar. It's a COVID 10-ounce bar, you know. This bar is a little bit more expensive, you know, but as I already started this collection, you know, what I call premium 10-ounce collection, this bar cost me like around $200. But this bar I paid $230, okay? I know I overpay, but you know what, I'll tell you. Usually they make 2,000-3,000 of these bars, and you have like maybe 1-2 weeks, and then they gone. So I'm not sure now how long this will be, because it's giving attention to people, and many people, you know, just buy it. And I pull my trigger, especially I have shop on eBay, and I'm selling on eBay, and when I have, you know, some profit, I put it in another silver. I just changing from one silver to another silver. So this guy doesn't want to go out. Packaged so well. Silver bar, COVID, it has a DGSE. Yeah, it's exactly the same package. You see, it's the same company selling. Okay, this is 4 bars in my collection. Dallas. Oh man, not easy to get it from this package. It has. Yeah. Okay, start moving. Okay, we're good now. Oh, wow. You know, I really, guys, impressed with the quality of these bars. It's everything. Even this plastic, it's so quality pieces, you know, unbelievable. So what we have on this, I'm reviewing this COVID Essential Worker Stamp May edition. You see, this is what I call it. So what do we have on this bar? I'm looking into this guy description. So, minted during the COVID-19 pandemic, and it's a May 2020 listed. So it was it's a very fresh bar, you know. They just cook it, guys. Just cook it like in May, you know. Usually you buy like all 10 years old buy, but this is very fresh. And you see mask, and you see this virus around 10 troy ounces. And what they say, salute to our essential citizen, person wearing mask stamp. This is bar in honor to our essential citizens who wearing mask stamp. I don't know how you guys, I don't wear this crap, you know. When I go shopping, you know, and I see they say, oh, you must wear mask, and I put it on my face. You know, all these masks, and don't, you know, they just give you low profile. That's what I'm calling. You know, less accident. You sit at home. You don't have. You have less oxidant. You know, into your body, and you just struggle. You don't. Listen to Silver 5150. He can explain better than me with all these vitamins. You know, D and C, and we don't have enough vitamins, and we put our mask, and it's all. This is a total depression. And where we need to do exactly the opposite. We need to go outside, we need to breathe fresh air, we need to be strong. And yeah, all these masks are not giving you strong, okay? So I don't want to talk about this more. You know, my opinion on this is...
Bullshit.
It's not bullshit, it's a...
Bullshit detected. Take precautions.
This is my opinion, okay, guys? And... regarding this bar, right? Bar is very nice. The second part, it has this, yeah, envela. This is, I'm not sure who knows about this. Please put your comments. Envela, why they call it envela? So Envela Corporation logo. You see, there are so many corporations here. This is Envela. This is another one. This is Elemental, you know. So I try to, if someone knows what's going on, please put your comments. I just enjoy this beautiful, beautiful bar. So let me do some validation here, as I always do in front of you guys. And I hope you study something. Oh, by the way, congratulations. I have 300 subscribers, I think. So congratulations. Thank you very much, guys, for subscribing to my channel. And I hope you get something fresh, new. Oh, man. How I can... Oh. Okay, somehow I see when it's on a H, then you can see. Okay, you can see. So 1025, yes, because they all the same 1025. You see, other bar 1025. It's 10 ounce and 25 cents is for plastic. You know, so it's good. And then I have my Sigma. Because you don't know what this company, right? You don't know what these people, and you are not sure, you know, who is behind this and what they are doing. There are so many shady markets, you know. So that's why I try to be prepared, and I try to do not be fooled, you know, by names, you know, this. So this is the silver. I'm showing you how I check my all bars. And this is another guy. I hope it is a silver, right? So yes, so we have silver. Yeah, look on this back side. It's very cool, cute. You see, it has this like a you know, like a basket. You know, it's like in a basket envela, you know, inside. Very cool. The quality is very good. Outstanding bar. Very well made. Very well made. I just like it, how it look like. You know, wearing mask, it fresh. You know, they just cook it. So everything good, everything nice. Minted during the COVID-19 pandemic. Who knows, you know, where our kids will be laughing on us, you know. What happened? Why you have this, you know? I can show you. Hey, this was a time when everyone was sitting at home, you know, locked. You know, in a house, cannot talk to friends, cannot say hello even, you know. You can go to jail if you will start, you know, talking to people, you know. Disaster. This is my opinion, you know. It's not our natural behavior, you know, to be like this. I hope it will end soon. I hope, you know, we are on the right way, and everything will be fine. Yeah, 10 minutes, guys. Just want to review this pandemic bar. Okay, be safe, okay? Don't be scared. It's all guys. Okay? Be safe, and bye-bye. And thank you for subscribing to my channel.